looks so much better, bro. It's crazy. Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Six, man. As y'all can see, man, we got the IS back outside, man. Today, the IS gonna get a little bit of TLC love, man. I know you guys haven't seen the IS on the channel in a little minute. Car's kind of just been ducked away, sitting here, being a good daily, man. I've just been driving the car to work and all, you know, my daily driving places. You see here, we've got this orange side reflector on the front bumper here, but I really don't like that. And I really want to match this. I really want this all to be white. So I got some Alpine white paint matched side reflectors that we're gonna go replace those today. Another thing on this car we're gonna work on, well, I plan on getting new wheels for this car here in the next 2 weeks. I should have them in. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go ahead and install my wheel studs. I have a wheel stud kit from Motorsport Hardware, same kit I ran on the F30. We'll be able to run spacers as well with the stock wheels, but also with my new wheels that I'm gonna have on very shortly. Need a new key battery. This thing's pretty loud, bro. The 335 IS is pretty loud, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. To be a stock car, it's freaking loud as hell. So we got the heat gun. We over my man Will spot, man. You see, you got the 435 is back, man. It's back. We might take it out today, man. Wow. Oh wait, Jay pulled up too. But yeah, so we got paint match reflectors. About to heat up the inside of this and basically just peel it off, swap it out, and then this front bumper will be paint match. I don't know why they just don't just make these bumpers just fully white. I don't know why they put this orange reflector here, but I don't know, BMW does. All right, got this piece of crop out. It wasn't too bad. I need to make sure I clean the back of this pretty good. Otherwise, that shit just gonna keep falling off. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw this paint match one in, Alpine. That's pretty fire, man. Put some promoter on. This should stick in. Yes. Yes. Looks sick though. Hey. All right, so we're on to the other side. Didn't notice that. Oh, E92s. It's just right here, so you don't even have to like unscrew anything in the liner like you did, like say on the F30. When I did the F30, I did have to open the liner to get to the reflector, but on the E92 they make it just right here, so you don't even have to do nothing. You can just turn your wheel in and it's right there. So you just heat this bad boy up. You got like a blade or something? That looks so much better, bro. It's crazy. Wow. Alrighty. Got our last 5 studs on. So we got wheel studs on the car now. It'll be easy to take on and off our wheels. We're gonna have new wheels coming on that can't actually support original BMW lug bolts. So we needed to have these studs on because my new wheels will need to have these. And these calipers look bad. Look at these wheels. Come look at this. This is bad. I need to do something with this.
They're all rusty.
Oh.
You don't want white? You want to see what white look like?
Throw our wheel back on. Car looks a lot cleaner with the paint match reflectors. You can't even tell they're there. My man Will's 435 is back outside, man, with the whole N55 motor rebuild. The car's back running good, man. We about to go out today and take a drive. We got our wheel studs on. So the wheel studs will be great for when we get our wheels in. Can't say what they're gonna be just yet. But we will need these studs for our wheels, and if we want to run a spacer, we can run anywhere from a 5 to a 12 with these studs. The front end of the IS just looks so much better with the paint match reflectors. I mean, shout out to IND, man. That paint match is perfect. I'll drop the link to these. Only like $100 for the pair, or maybe like 120. Plus shipping, but I don't know what shipping fee, I can't even remember. But car looks sick. We did also install our wheel studs today, so we have the Motorsport Hardware kit on, everything installed properly, and we'll soon have a new wheel on here. in a better fitment, because right now, I mean, it's bad. I could throw a spacer on all those inside. I have studs on the stocks, but I'm getting some wheels so soon that there's no point of even trying to get the fitment dialed with these wheels. I'm gonna have new wheels and a new alignment very soon, but the stock look of this car is great. My boy Will is back outside with his 435, man. Let's go. It's super sick to see him outside with this car again. That's not catless. I got an F30 behind me that's freaking popping like crazy. I got Will in front of me. Will and Jay's N55s, both stage 2, like with basically everything done to them, sounds so ridiculous, bro. Oh my god, they both sound so good though. I can't even lie. I can't even lie. They both sound so good. For one stock. What y'all think, YouTube? This is the current state of the daily. I just beat on this car a good bit with Will and Jay. Both of their N55s are tuned, so I'm trying to keep up with them with my stock IS, and it's fun. It really was a lot of fun. I mean, I was just beating on it. It's a little high. She needs a cool down. She needs a cool down. Brakes got a good bit of work just now. So today we got our paint match reflectors on. They look sweet. Now the whole car just looks a lot more sleek and completed without those orange reflectors in the way. They're perfect mod, man. I'm dropping the link for those. Gotta do that. We also did our wheel studs today. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the IS and how it's looking right now in its stock form. This is my OEM Plus V1 version of the car, and we are starting V2 here shortly. We appreciate you guys tapping on the channel. Know the content is coming. It's coming very soon for this car specifically because we have wheels on the way. They're on the way.